This is Mike Steingraber with your weekly market update for Friday, April 11th, 2025. Starting off with corn, pretty good week of trading for the corn markets, all the markets really. Starting off, they closed up like 30 cents for the week. Old crop corn closed at 490, new crop at 463. A little bit less gains in the new crop market, picking up by producers' sales. Big thing moving the market here has been the weakness in the dollar and trade optimism with the tariff talk going. Similar with beans, they closed up for the week. Old crop closed at 1042 and 3/4, and new crop at 1025 and a quarter, 1025 and a half. Kind of similar. It's all kind of built into the same thing of why it's moving up. A lot to do with tariff talks. It's kind of what I think trend's going to be here going forward. Getting into planting season here. Like I said, delays down south for some corn planting and stuff like that, and news over in South America, depending on what they got going on. It's going to help the bean market stay a little more firm, I think. And similar with wheat. Wheat closed up. They had a pretty big week overall. New crop wheat we'll look at, that closed at 570 and a quarter. I think it was up like 20 some cents for the week, 30 cents, something like that. So good week of trading. Kind of keep the optimism going. I urge everybody to put out some offers on some old crop and some new crop, seeing if we can see some decent gains here and kind of collect some of that on the way up. Just continue to watch that. If we do start to see a little bit of a pullback at some point, maybe not quite panic. Let's keep an eye on it. Keep some targets out there a little bit further ahead of any of the trading days coming forward, and try and get something out there to protect yourself for if it does go down. And like I said, it's not a bad place to get some more locked in here. After the last pullback, it's always good to see a rally and maybe capture some of that on the way through. Thank you and have a good week.